Behind every good meal, there is a story. This one starts in the soil and grows into your heart. In today's fast world, we are forced to choose health or convenience. So, what if I said you don't have to choose anymore? So, this is our story of food that's good for your body, easy for your life, and kind to the planet. In year 2012, I, Satish Saundatti, planted our first seed, started as a Vegifresh to grow organic vegetables and export them to the UK and Europe. We followed strict rules, no pesticide residue, no shortcuts, just real clean food from Indian soil to European plates. Next came Vegiorganic, a brand that full of hope, but reality hit hard. High fixed costs and low margins meant we were losing money faster than we could earn it. So we didn't fall because we lacked a passion or a purpose. We failed because the path we chose was not built to survive the weight of growing costs and shrinking margins. But failure showed us what truly matters and gave us the clarity to rebuild stronger and wiser. We choose not to quit. Instead, we stood back up with stronger legs and a wiser mind. That's when VegCrop was born. Not just as a company, but as a commitment, a fresh beginning with a deep confidence. VegCrop stands for more than just veg, means vegetarian plus crop. It's our promise to bring you honest food grown with care on real farms and frozen at its peak to lock in freshness and nutrition. Every pack carries our belief that healthy eating should be simple, safe, and full of flavor. From fruits to vegetables, from Indian snacks to flatbreads and sweets, everything we make is rooted in purity and delivered with ease. Because at VegCrop we believe one thing deeply: frozen is the new fresh. We work only with the farmers who follow good agriculture practices using the right inputs, clean water, and integrated pest management to protect the crop and the nature. All our produce is tested to be free from pesticide residue and heavy metals because safety is not an optional, it is our starting point. Veginatural means food that's a natural, no harmful pesticide residue, just clean frozen cut vegetables and fruits ready to cook. Paratha Express is more than just parathas. It brings you delicious Indian frozen flatbreads made from wholesome grains and pulses with no preservatives ever, and now we are going to step further, introducing ready-to-eat Indian flatbreads meal combo like Punjabi chole with kulchas, garlic naan with dal makhani, and many more. Each meal is inspired by regional flavor, served with a homely taste and hygienic preparations, quick to heat, easy to love. That's Paratha Express way. Under the same umbrella of VegCrop, we are soon bringing you something truly special, innovative products that blend health, tradition, and convenience like never before. Imagine a bowl of frozen fruit salad filled with wholesome cut fruits, crunchy dry fruits, and smooth topping ice cream, all without a single drop of added sugar, preservatives, or artificial colors. Just pure goodness. It comes in two versions, one made with pure milk solids and another entirely dairy-free, created especially for vegan food lovers. Because every kind of eater deserves something joyful and guilt-free. We are also launching ingredient combo packs for those craving home-style biryani or a pulao without much preparation. Each pack comes with a long-grain, uncooked basmati rice, perfectly chopped frozen vegetables, whole spices, required masala, frozen ginger and garlic, all packed separately in a single master pack. Just follow a simple recipe instructions and in a few minutes you will have a dish that tastes like it came from your favorite a restaurant only made in your own kitchens with love. VegCrop's green and earthy yellow are not just colors, they are reflection of life itself. Green speaks of fresh beginning and nourishment, while earthy yellow carries the warmth of the sun and the soul of the soil. Together, they represent the spirit of every farmer's field, full of growth, vitality, and the promise of real food from the earth to your plate. So Paratha Express carries the warmth of the home and a rich brown and deep reds, colored that speak of tradition, comfort, and the joy of satisfying meal. The grain symbol in the logo reminds us that every paratha is made from the earth's purest ingredient. Wholesome cereals and pulses with no shortcuts, it's food made with care, crafted for speed and rooted in love, because quick shouldn't need compromise. Veggie Natural's green leaf-shaped logo is more than a design. It's a symbol of purity, of nature's gentle touch, and the honest goodness that comes straight from the farm. It reflects our deep-rooted belief that real food should grow the way nature, clean, safe, and full of life. If VegCrop were a person, they would be confident because they are risen again, healthy because they believe in care, convenient because they respect your time, vibrant and fast like your busy life, young, full of new ideas, joyful because food brings smile, loving to nature because the planet feeds us all. For young urban families who want safe, clean food for their growing children, health or speed. For mindful moms and dads who read every label and choose with love. For chefs and cloud kitchens who rely on consistency, safety and taste every single time. And for the retailers who want to offer trustworthy, preservative-free products to their customers can count on. We know we are not yet a household name. That's why we are telling you this story so you understand where we come from and where we are going. We don't shout for your attention. We quietly work to earn your trust with every frozen pack that enters your home. You want better, we deliver better. Trust is not built overnight, it's a build bite by bite. Falling is not the end, that's where the story begins again. Thanks for watching, see you soon in my next video.